Hey, so if Dropbox is not connecting to the internet on your PC, yeah, like it says offline, won't sync, or just refuses to connect, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is actually working. I mean, try opening a website to confirm your connection is stable. Next, yeah, restart your Wi Fi router. Sometimes the network just needs a quick reset to reconnect apps properly. Now, restart Dropbox. Close it from the system tray and reopen it to refresh the connection. If you're using a VPN or proxy, yeah, that can block Dropbox from connecting. Try turning it off and test again. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block internet access for Dropbox. Temporarily disable them to see if that's the issue. Now, make sure your PC date and time are correct. I mean, wrong time settings can break internet authentication for apps like Dropbox. Yeah, if nothing works, try resetting your network settings. This fixes deeper connection issues on Windows. If Dropbox still won't connect, sign out and sign back in. This refreshes your connection session. And finally, yeah, uninstall and reinstall Dropbox. This fixes corrupted connection files and resets everything. So, yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not connecting to the internet. Most of the time, it's network issues, VPN, or firewall settings. Try these steps, and your Dropbox should connect normally again. Thanks for watching.